Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video, I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos, and I will show you how to activate or deactivate the child locks. This video should apply to Volkswagen Taoses made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 or newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so I will also quickly explain what's the purpose of child locks. Now, if you have children sitting on the back seats, the purpose of child locks is to disable the interior door handles so they cannot open the rear door while you're driving. So right now, if you're driving and somebody pulls this door handle, the door will open, right? And now I will show you how to activate the child lock so that doesn't happen. Okay, so to do this, you will want to remove the key blade from the fob housing, and then you will use this blade to activate the child lock. Once you open the rear door, on the edge of the door you will see like a small person and a lock, and all you have to do, just insert this key inside and turn it to the right. Okay, and now the child lock is engaged. And now if I close the door and I try to open it, this is not working. So interior door handle will not work, but the exterior will work. And you have to do this separately for the other side as well. So each door has its own child lock. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.